Hello students, welcome to Standard 5th Mathematics Digital class. We continue with lesson number 7, Circles. Let's take a recap. What you have learned in previous videos: radius, chord, diameter, properties of a circle, drawing a circle, relationship between radius and diameter. Under that, you have learned the diameter of a circle is twice the length of its radius. All the diameters of a circle are of the same length. Let's continue with problem set 29. Question number 1. If the radius of a circle is 5 cm, what will its diameter be? Diameter of a circle is equal to radius multiplied by 2. So this is the formula to find out diameter. Radius multiplied by 2. Radius is given in the question. Radius of a circle is equal to 5 cm. So 5 cm multiplied by 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 centimeter. So diameter of a circle is 10 centimeter. Question number 2. If the diameter of a circle is 6 centimeter, what will its radius be? Write the formula. Radius of a circle is equal to diameter divided by 2. Diameter is given in the question. Diameter of a circle is 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 3 centimeter. So radius of a circle is 3 centimeter. Let's move on question number 3. Complete the following table by filling the blanks. Now, in the first row, radius is given and the second row, diameter is given. Now see, the radius of a circle is 4 centimeter and you have to find out its diameter. Diameter is equal to radius multiplied by 2. So 4 centimeter multiplied by 2, 8. So the diameter is 8 centimeter. Now the second circle's diameter is given. It is 16 centimeter and you have to find out its radius. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So 16 centimeter divided by 2, 2 8s are 16. So 8 centimeter. So students, you solve remaining two sums and learn the formula. Diameter of a circle is equal to radius multiplied by 2. Radius of a circle is equal to diameter divided by 2. Students, write these formulas in your notebook and learn it. Student, observe the picture. You play land and sea inside the circle on the playground. In this game, the child inside the circle is in the sea, while the child outside the circle is on land. Now see this picture. The girl is playing the ring. The girl is inside the circle. So let's start the interior and the exterior of a circle. In this picture, K, L, M, N are points on a circle. The colored area inside the circle in the picture is the interior of the circle. P, Q, R and T are points interior of the circle. A, B, D, C are points in the exterior of the circle. So let's start problem set 30. In the table below, write the names of the points in the interior and exterior of the circle and those on the circle. So here diagram is given. First you have to find out points in the interior of the circle. See Y, R, T, X points in the interior of the circle. See. Now the next one. Points in the exterior of the circle. See M, Z, W are the points in the exterior of the circle. See. Now points on the circle. See. P and N points on the circle. See students. So now here we have completed problem set 29 and 30. You solve both the problem sets in your classwork notebook. Now the next one is the circumference of a circle. So students, for that we will do one activity. Now let's start the activity. Take a lid of water bottle or tiffin or any circular edge or of anything, a scale and a string. So now wind a string around it. See, like this. And make a circle of it. See students, here your circle is complete. See. Unwind the string and strengthen it out. Now measure the strengthened part on the ruler. Place it. See here, I am placing it. See, the length of the part is 16 centimeter. So the circumference of a circle is 16 centimeter. So students, write down the answer. The circumference of a circle is 16 centimeter. So you do this activity at your home. Take any circular edge of anything and measure the circumference of a circle. Myself Dipti Pathak, I am signing off. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.